Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to watch Telegram videos without downloading them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Telegram app right here. After we open our Telegram app, the first thing that we need to do is to click this three horizontal line on the top left corner of your screen. After that, click this settings button right here. Once you do that, I want you to scroll down until you see in storage. And then after that, you will see this automatic media download. So all you have to do is to turn this one, also this one, and also this one. And also here on the bottom, you will see save to gallery. So make sure that you also turn this off. And in that way, the videos that we watch won't be downloaded in our gallery. And after you turn that off, you are go and you can now watch your videos without downloading them to your gallery. So that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.